Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Ain't enough of all the talking. Let me figure out what box we finna unbox. Now, I have two unboxings. I don't know which one is which, so I'm gonna do this one first. Oh shit! I'm gonna do the little one first. Both of these are from the Go app. Some late pickup. It's not nothing like recent. These are both late pickups, so I don't know how YouTube is gonna like that with all the, you know, I know people like that. God damn, hold up. Ah, okay, we back. Oh shit. Okay. And as you can see, we have an all black Nike box. You have that little whatever Nike symbol right there. And these are the Air Foamposite Pro AS QS. So this is the All-Star Weekend Foamposite pack, man. Here you go. The GOAT card. And whoever LM is, you know, did this. And this is the Nike, I don't even know, what is this even for? But yeah, that's in there. And what we have is bling, blow, burr on the shoes, man. And it looked like these are, okay, they ain't DS. They very near DS though. And yeah, man. Oh shit, son. Here you go, man. They not DS, but they very near DS, man. Like, only thing that gives it away is the bottom is worn out on them. But other than that, stupid clean. I'm finna do the review on the right shoe. So let me put this left one away. As y'all know, this is the one that came with the different swooshes. So there you go. The little teal swoosh, the bronze swoosh. It's two different, it's like a sparkly black and like a regular black. So we're gonna put those extras over there. And of course, this is the chromed out swoosh right here. But anyways, man, let's start with the toe box, man. You have like, basically this is like a matte off-white, because it ain't like a pure white. It got like a grayish tint to it, so it's like a matte white though. And this right here is all 3M. I can see it kind of popping out. You have like the stitched in swoosh right there. Standard lace system for the Foamposite. Of course, this swoosh is like Velcro. You can take it off, change the colors, which is real dope, man. You have the black stripe going up to that Foamposite air little bubble type thing right there. Pull tab is a nice little leather, if you can see that right there. It is tumbled. I don't know why they put like a little tumble. You have the textured carbon fiber plate right there. Going to the back, you have the Nike swoosh. This is tumbled, as y'all can see. It got Foamposite right there on the pull tab. This leather is soft. Shoe tree in there. Take that out. Do have black metal lace tips right there. And the inside, you have the Nike swoosh. Kind of wore off a little bit. Still nice though. You have the mesh sock liner going on right there. The outsole of the shoe, I'm guessing it was like this color. I didn't really never pay attention to these because these was like off my radar. But I got these for a steal, so I couldn't pass on them. And I was like, hey, forget it. They accepted it. It is what it is. White swoosh right there. You have like, it looked like it was translucent kind of on the outsole. Black pies as well. You know, real dope. I mean, this shoe is very basic. Like, the only thing that's cool about the shoe is that you can change the swooshes around on them. And that's kind of why I got it, because like I said, I don't really like plain, simple Foamposites. I like my Foamposites to pop out. So, you know, I'll probably try to put 2 swooshes on there if I can. You know, I don't know how that's gonna work out, but I'm gonna try it anyway. And yeah, man, it's pretty much nothing too special about this shoe. Besides the swoosh change thing, it kind of remind me of the Travis Scott's a little bit because I missed out on both pair. But anyways, man, finna give y'all real quick on feet of these. Hope y'all enjoy the on feet and see y'all in a little bit.
I ain't thinking.
Yo, man, so really hope y'all enjoyed that on feet. Hold on, let me get these joints in hand. Yes, man, really hope y'all enjoyed that on feet, man. How y'all like the way I did the swooshes, man? Crazy dope, man. This the only reason I really got these, because I don't like regular plain Foamposites, man. I want my Foamposites to do some crazy stuff, and this was exactly that. Look how I got these swoosh things, man. Yes, man, but yes, man, real dope shoe. They fit comfortable. They already broken in. They is an 8.5. I'm usually a 9 in foams, because foams don't give you that much, you know, that much wiggle room. But these are already broken in. They fit comfortable. Insoles, and it came in OG box. And I just remembered that this right here came with this as well. And this was the thing that was doing the, like, basically customize the shoes. This was around that time they was customizing shoes. So you put this on the shoe and you like put some like paint or whatever on it. Not necessarily paint, but you know, put some stuff on it to basically customize the shoe, Nike it all out. So that was real dope, man. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know, depends. If I beat these up, I might as well do it. So hope y'all enjoyed the review. Hope y'all enjoyed the on feet, man. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, and on feet, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.